Did you know that there are a number of places you can sell print-on-demand products? Print-on-demand products offer a very affordable way to start a business because they're easy to create, made to order, and fully customizable in many cases. So today I want to discuss what print-on-demand products are and where you can sell these products. So print-on-demand products are products that are just printed one at a time for a customer. So they order the product and then it is printed and sent out to them. And in many cases, they can customize them as well. We're talking about items like mugs, t-shirts, accessories, pillowcases, wall art. There's a huge variety of print-on-demand products. So in this video, I want to share some different places where you can sell your print-on-demand products. Now, each platform has different pricing, and some have more of a skew toward a specific audience than others. So probably the largest one and the most well-known is Etsy. And Etsy is a really great place to sell print-on-demand products. It's also easily integrated with sites like Instagram or Pinterest. And one of the things that's great about Etsy as well is that on the back end, they do have it streamlined with many of the larger print-on-demand companies, so you can have easy fulfillment where it's much more automated. So for example, here's an Etsy seller. They have a 5-star rating, Your Wedding Place, and specialize in selling personalized print-on-demand gifts from mugs to coat hangers to welcome mats. Shopify is similar to Etsy in the sense that it's a store, but with Shopify, basically you work with them, and Shopify also allows you to have your own site as well if you want, or you can go right on Shopify itself. And they actually partner with a printer that you can work with directly. Spreadshop is another great platform for print-on-demand products. It's a mixed model of marketplace and print-on-demand fulfillment services. So you can actually make your products right on Spreadshop, sell them, and put in just minutes. So it's really like a one-stop shop for selling things like mugs, t-shirts, things like that. TeePublic is a site, as it sounds. It's really primarily for apparel, t-shirts. So if you have a design, you can simply upload it and print your design onto a product. I think this is a great way to sell a design or an image on apparel that you're probably already getting traction with. So let's say, for example, you have an Etsy store and you find that specific images on perhaps things like mugs or wall art are doing really well. You can then head over to TeePublic and put it on apparel too, like t-shirts. They also do things like home goods as well. They do kids, which I think is great too. So it's a great way to add on to what you're already doing, I think. And Zazzle, of course, is one of the best known places to sell print-on-demand products. So the more you optimize your store with Zazzle, the more sales you can get. And Zazzle is also user-friendly as well. I also think, like TeePublic, it's probably not where you want to start, but if you are already making sales, you can go ahead and put your stuff on Zazzle too. So here's a Zazzle store where they are specializing in personalized photo tote bags with a monogram. So they basically pick a bag, upload their photos, and click add to cart. So it's a set design with the grid, and then they have the monogram. So I think this is a great way to offer personalization, but yet it's definitely, kept where it's easy to fulfill as well. Society6 is great. This is really a focus for artists. There's a lot of photographers, artists, visual artists who sell on Society6. And they also have a great affiliate program. So if you want to promote your artwork on your site or via social media, you can do that as well and get a cut of it that way too. And they specialize on things like wall art, home decor items, apparel. I have actually some photographs I've gotten from Society6 I've ordered for our home, and they're really nice. They do a really nice quality. So this is a great place too if you have some really great visual images and are focusing on visual art. So if you'd like to learn more about how to get involved with print on demand and also how to offer easy personalization options, check out my Easy Personalized Pod training. It goes into what's selling, how to get started with companies, how to get offer personalization options, and to get started with this. So it's great if you want to create customizable products and really get in touch with people who are ready to buy. You can learn more in the link below.